How are you? Welcome to our science class. Children, now it's time for prayer. All of you close your eyes. Let's start. Asatoma Shatkamaya Tamasoma Jyotirkamaya Mrityoma Amadam Kamaya Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Children, in this class we are going to see about new chapter. Before going to the session, shall we do our energizer? That is, breathe in and breathe out. Listen children, first I will give you the instructions. Afterwards, you have to do. Listen children, if I say breathe in, you have to slowly take a deep breath in. Then, if I say breathe out, you have to slowly breathe down. Children, are you clear with the instructions? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Let's start. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Super children. Children, in this class we are going to learn about new concept in chapter 3, animals. Children listen, animals are of different kinds. Animals differ in the kind of food they eat. These different types of animals are based on the types of food they eat. Children tell, what kind of food does the cow eat? Children tell, have you seen a dog eating grass? Children say, can humans eat both plants, product like rice, pulses and animal products like milk and eggs? Listen children, we see different kinds of animals around us. All animals feel hungry like us. They need food to live and grow. Animal different in the kind of food they eat. We already know about different types of animals such as wild animals and domestic animals. But animals can also be classified on the basis of their eating habits. Now we are going to see about classification of animals on the basis of their eating habits. Carnivores, herbivores, omnivores, parasite and scavenger. Listen, now we are going to see about herbivores. Listen children, animals that eat only plants are called herbivores. They have sharp and flat teeth to chew grass and plants. They also have sharp biting teeth and strong grinding teeth. Some herbivores also have special body features to help them to get their food. For example, long neck of giraffe helps it to reach tall trees, and an Elephant trunk helps it to pull out the leaves and branches of a tree. A few examples of herbivores are deer, goat, giraffe, rabbit, cow, and sheep. Children, now we are going to do some worksheet. Do practice zone 1 in page number 37 in book. Practice on 1. Write the name of any two herbivores with special features that help them to get their food. Now it's time for homework. Do question number 2, page number 26 and 27 in workbook. The question is answer the following questions. A question: which of the given animals are herbivorous? Bat, elephant, sheep, fox, eagle, lion, cat. Next, B question. What do you mean by herbivorous? Upload your work Google Classroom app. Children, hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.